Hello, I am back. At this time I want to share about camera and accessories. This is Canon RF16mm F2.8 STM lens, ultra-wide angle, fixed focal length prime lens, compatible with EOS R series mirrorless cameras, black. Canon's first ultra-wide angle, fixed focal length RF lens. High image quality and bright, fixed f2.8 maximum aperture. A stepping motor, gear type STM, that provides smooth and quiet continuous AF during video recording. Supremely lightweight and compact, for an ultra-wide lens for full-frame cameras. Minimum focusing distance of 5.11 inches and maximum magnification of 0.26x. Thanks for watching. You can get details this product, click link in description. Subscribe, like and share for support CamSip channel. You will get best price and discount if you check out by link in description.